I can think of 1,000 reasons why I don't believe in you. I don't believe in you, and I light me up a cigarette, put it in my mouth. You're the only one that wants me around, and I can think of 1,000 reasons why I don't believe in you. I don't believe in you, and I
Go ahead and fill my drink up. You still be all I think of. We try and stay afloat, but know the way to sink us. I say the problem solved once you forget the question, but you go ask again, cause you ain't learned your lesson. Into the heavens, I promise you no regrets, for my mind is left in the past, so that promise was never kept. To be honest, I fell astray, call it lost on the way. So certain of my intentions, I thought that I never sway, but between the cameras flashing, I guess that it had to happen. The negatives to the perfect picture, I had to have them, and my collection consists of all that I had to take. We celebrating the sacrifices we had to make. We had to wait, unprepared for the loss, oversold on the win and unaware of the cost. Cause I can write a song, but can I right my wrongs? I guess you live and learn when the love is gone.
light me up a cigarette, put it in my mouth. You're the only one that wants me around, and I can think of 1,000 reasons why I don't believe in you. I don't believe in you, and
Now here we are again, back from our darkest end. We'll keep this happiness going long as we all pretend. It seems we built this from nothing but broken dreams. These memories we'll forget, but that's all that we hope to see. I got my future in this ticket. Life is yours if you live it. You wish you could plan it different, but fuck it, that's how you miss it. I always hoped you would visit, always thought it was you. Always caught in the past, cause it's all that I fucking knew. I mean, it's funny, ain't it? Guess it's all how you paint it. It's all that I really got, but it's all for the entertainment. The champagne's on the dresser, empty from all my efforts. The life of yesterday's party gets carried off in a stretcher, and here we standing like everything's how we planned it. But who we kidding? We drinking so we don't panic. Broke off that lucky 7. Go ahead and tell the reverend we fucking rock stars. Call us Des Zeppelin.
light me up a cigarette.